Hey, what's up? I wanted to take a second to show you this new pedal I just finished. It's a clean boost. Not a whole lot to it. It's got about 5 resistors, a couple capacitors, and a transistor, 2N3904. So I'm going to take a second just kind of show you the pedal first, some of the features, and then I'll give you some sound samples. So here's my pedal board. Got the Ernie Ball volume. Here's my clean boost. You can see a Blues driver. This is a custom fuzz that I made. That's a homemade overdrive compressor, DB7 for delay. Here's the clean boost, and so on and off switch, LED, and here's just like a simple volume that determines how much it's gonna boost the volume by. So that's it, and I'll play some samples. Alright, so I'm gonna play you through just a couple different variations. I've got this pedal at the very top of my signal chain right after my volume pedal. So here's a perfectly clean signal. I'm playing on a DC 59, and here's just a clean signal, nothing, just clean. Okay, so no blues driver, no fuzz, no nothing, just pure signal. With the clean boost. So you can see how that really boosts the volume, also boosts a lot of the tone, clarity wise. And here's where it gets exciting, okay? Because if I take my blues driver, I put it on, but I turn off. Okay, so we're gonna increase the gain and the drive. Just a little bit. Just starts to break up. Okay. Okay, just a little bit of dirt there, just a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna flip on this clean boost. So you can use this to really boost, like during a guitar solo. But the other thing you can do too is I really like this. If I take this down, the gain down and the level down, I just love that tone right there. I mean, that's just some great tone. So. Playing sounds great, dirty. Just overall really happy with the build.